magical methods, how shape memory alloys work. First of all, what are atoms? How are they organized? And what are shape memory alloys used for? And where are they used? Today we are talking about weird materials that we use in space, in robots, and in our mouth. I'm talking about shape memory alloys. Like the name says, they are metals that remember different shapes. To understand how this metal works, we'll talk about atoms and organizing. Now let's talk about atoms first. Atoms are tiny bits of matter that we cannot see with our eyes, but make everything in the world, so from the chairs we are sitting to the cell phones. But how big is an atom? Well, imagine pulling one of your hairs out of your head and whittling it like a stick 100,000 times. One of those shavings would be the width of an atom. They are that small. Now let's talk about organizing. Maybe you don't know, but atoms arrange themselves in a similar way we humans arrange ourselves. Sometimes they sit in rows, as in a bus or airplane, and sometimes they sit in a diagonal form, as in a theater or stadium. This is another phase. When atoms move from one sitting to another, this is called a phase change. Phase changes are all around us. You may already know about water phases, solid, liquid, and gas, and many other metals have these phases too. Some of them have several solid phases. But let's come back to shape memory alloys we mentioned before. When we say that the metals remember the different shapes, what we are really saying is that they remember different states arrangements of atoms. When the atoms rearrange, the metal moves from one shape to another. Let's see it in action. Let's take a metal wire that is made out of nickel and titanium. This is a shape memory alloy. And when we hit it with a lighter, we can see that the wire around the finger returns into a straight line when it is heated. This is not only amazing, this is weird because metals usually don't do that. If we take a paper clip and do the same thing, nothing happens. What we see is that the shape memory wire changes phases when it gets hot. When the wire is cold, atoms are in a diagonal arrangement, and we call it monoclinic arrangement. And the scientists call this phase Martin size. When it is heated, the wire atoms moves into column like in an airplane, and this is called the cubic arrangement. And scientists call this austenate. When we add heat, the atoms shift its position seamlessly, and they seem to do this forever. They have this coordination motion just like members of a tireless marching band. Now, where do we use these materials? Well, if you look in the sky tonight, shape memory alloys are at work on Mars. They are used to move panels on the Mars rover, so they can study the environment there. Like our metals straighten when it is heated, the metals holding the panels move when the electricity when they are electricity heated. When we stop heating the shape memory metal, the panel will return back due to an opposing spring. Back on Earth, shape memory alloys are used to open up arteries, the stents, which are small capsulized springs that force open passages. Shape memory alloys are also used to move robots, toy butterfly, and teeth in bases. So, as you can see, understand the way atoms behave allows us to make materials that make our world a better place.